Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we want to show you guys an amazing opportunity. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out these amazing opportunities and important news. So Binance has been organizing an event called Bitcoin Button. And in this game, the one who clicks on the button closest to 0 seconds will win 1 Bitcoin. But every time someone clicks on the button, the buzzer resets and starts again from 60 seconds. And maybe the first time in history, opportunity doesn't come from being a winner, this time it comes from being a loser. So when you click on the button and lose the game because you are not the closest, Binance gives you an NFT if you logged in with your Binance account. You can see I clicked on the button but I didn't win. I clicked on 57th second and I was the 9,000th person to click on the button, and because I didn't win it says I clicked the button and all I got was this free NFT mystery box. And after you click on this, it will give you your NFT. Every Binance account can only acquire this NFT once, so I'm not going to be able to show you how you can get it, but it says after you click on this button it will say okay, you didn't win, here's your NFT, and you claim your NFT. And if you don't have a Binance account, you can register for free from the links in the description box below to pay 20% less commission on your transactions. And we also have a Binance tutorial video from the card, you can check that video out. So we clicked on this button and claimed our NFT. So here it is, this is the NFT I got, this is the SSR one, I got the orange one. There are different ones, you can get gold coin, this is SR, silver coin, R, and bronze coin. Depends on your luck. I don't know if there's gonna be a bonus for orange coin winners, you know, it was just luck. So I get this one, but it doesn't matter which one you get, you just have to get one of them. So we clicked on the button and claimed our NFT. As you can see here, between 13 and 15 April, we will stake our NFT on here. I will give the link to this page and have at least 2 BUSD for each ticket. You can see here the unit sale price is $2 to Binance USD BUSD dollars, and the purchase units per user is 5 tickets. So I suggest you to have 10 BUSD because the maximum limit is 5 tickets. You can also hold 0.1 BNB during this time and join this event. Let's say you don't want to click on a button for just a second and claim your free NFT, you can still join this event by holding 0.1 BNB during the time during 13th and 15th of April. And on 15th April 12 UTC, depending on how many winner tickets you have, if any, your Easter NFT will be sent to your wallet and you're going to be able to sell your NFTs. Now you can see there are different ranks: abundance of love, good fortune, best of health, prosperity in life, fullness of joy, and peace of mind. We can see different rarities and total amounts. You can see here. It's a fun event and it's probably the cheapest event ever. You can just buy and hold an NFT for $2. It's one of the biggest opportunities that Binance gave to its users. So let's summarize. You click on the button of the Bitcoin Button game and you claim your free NFT, and you open up this page from the link I gave you in the description box below. And if you don't have a Binance account, you create your Binance account from the links in the description box below I gave you. If you're registered with that link, you will pay 20% less commission on your transactions, and then you will stake your NFT during this time, 13th and 15th of April, and then on the 15th of April 12 UTC, depending on how many winner tickets you have, your rewards will be sent to your Binance account and you're going to be able to sell it, hold it, or withdraw it to another wallet if you want. There's also a different event. You can see here it talks about here, after this pre-sale, if you have all of these 6 NFTs, you will share a prize of $20,000 prize pool in BUSD token voucher. So you can also value that opportunity if you want. So that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to see more videos like this. And I also suggest you to check out our Instagram page from the links in the description box below. We post very funny and educative stuff on our Instagram and on our other social media accounts. I suggest you to check out our social media accounts from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.